My name is Eralle Jones, and I did the CHW program.
Hey, Ariel. So, how'd you hear about Summit?
When I first moved here, my cousin and my brother-in-law went to Summit.
Okay, what'd they go for?
They both went for construction.
Okay, nice. Can you tell folks a little about your Summit experience and what it's kind of done for you attending Summit?
Well, my Summit experience was great. It was more than I expected. You think 20 weeks, you think that it's quick, you know, it's going to be fast and it's just going to be, but no, it's a good program, honestly, and I'm grateful for it.
So you got to work, so just say it's not an easy 20 weeks.
It's not an easy 20 weeks. They get you the training you're going to need.
But was it worth it?
Yes, right. I can honestly say that.
How's it feel to be graduating?
It feels good. All my hard work paid off, so it feels great, honestly.
If you had to say any advice to any potential student, what would you tell them?
Don't give up. I mean, you're gonna get those days where you're gonna feel like, you know, this is it. You know, you're gonna get the teachers that's gonna give you a hard time because they want what's best for you too. So push through. Don't let the negative get to you, and you'll be here like me.
Perfect. Thank you.